Hello, we are Group 18. I'd like to start explaining the goblet cell. First of all, where are the goblet cells located in our body? They are mainly found in the epithelial cells of the respiratory tract and the digestive tract. Here is a view of a goblet cell under a microscope. They are called goblet cells because the shape of the cells resemble a drinking cup. The main role of goblet cells is to produce mucus such as mucin. This mucus protects and repairs the epithelium. Mucin is a glycoprotein. The main component of mucus is mucin. Mushrooms contain a lot of mucin. Let me explain the mechanism of mucin production. First, the nascent peptide of mucin produced in the nucleus oligomerized in the endoplasmic reticulum. Next, it is glycosylated in the Golgi apparatus and cross-linked by SS linkages. The mucins thus produced are stored in secretory vesicles and are discharged into the lumen through the intracellular microtubule cytoskeleton. Now we will explain the specific roles for each part.
What is the biological role in bronchi? Here are the cells of bronchi. Bronchial epithelium consists of three main types of cells: cilia, goblet, and basal cells. Goblet cells secrete mucus called mucin, so bronchial epithelium is filled with this mucus. Then, what is the role of mucin? First, it moistens the airway to help air change. And also, mucin traps particles from the air. Then, by underlying cilia movement, those particles are removed. Goblet cells incorporate with cilia, serve as a filter to prevent potential pathogen from entering lung. The respiratory epithelium protect from infection and play a role in mucosal immune system.
Next, let's take a look at the goblet cell in intestinal tract. At intestinal tract, goblet cell blocks antigen physically by secreting mucin and enhances the immune response. Large intestine has many goblet cells and there's a lot of mucin. So, the layer of mucus covering epithelial cell is thick. Also, antibody IgA exists in mucus. Mucin and IgA protect epithelial cells from intestinal bacteria and antigens. In large intestine, mucin plays a main role in blocking intestinal bacteria and antigens. To put it briefly, goblet cells make a physical barrier to block antigens. Goblet cell can take in antigens and transport antigens to antigen-presenting cells, for example, dendritic cells. Goblet cell supports those cells to catch antigens. Thanks to goblet cell, antigen-presenting cell can present antigen more efficiently. In addition, goblet cell has a function of producing cytokines such as interleukin-7. These cytokines are the factor of increasing lymphocytes. When active T cells or NK cells have released cytokines such as interferon gamma, goblet cell produces interleukin-7 and other cytokines. As a result, Goblet cell induces the increase of lymphocytes.